Hello guys, welcome to my channel IT King. So many students was having query. They was asking about TCS digital interview question. So in this video I have brought some important question asked in TCS digital interview in 2021. So guys, please watch this video full last. If you will skip, then you will not understand. And I have given some tips also to clear it. So guys, be ready for it. So first of all, they will start with technical interview, guys. So first question there will be like tell me about yourself, or they can start with tell me about your project. So according to me, tell me about self is a game changer. Whatever you will say in tell me about yourself, they will go through it. So second question they will ask tell me about your project. So guys, when you are in final year project, you should know all the things which you have mentioned in that project. You should know all the things. They will test whether you are knowing that project or not. So please prepare the project. And if you're giving TCS digital interview, don't expect that they will ask only basic question. They will definitely will ask a digital questions like trending technology. The second question that I mentioned, what are trending technology like AI, blockchain, deep learning, cloud computing, machine learning. They will ask about it. So please prepare the basic question of that, basic question answer of that. The third question they have asked like explain what is blockchain technology. Prepare trending technology of that blockchain technology. What is blockchain? Real time example of blockchain. Please learn about it. So they will ask it. Fourth question is what is AI, machine learning and deep learning. So please do this thoroughly so they can ask it. And they are asking about real time application trend technology as well. Whatever you will write in resume, they can ask about real time application like trending technology. If you are mentioning in resume like cloud computing, then they will ask about what is application of cloud computing, what is application of deep learning. So whatever you mention you in resume, they will ask about that. So please prepare this trending technology. I want to say that if you're giving digital interview, please prepare this. If you are preparing for ninja, so don't need it. Second, what is the use of finally block in exceptional handling? This question was asked for many students about this. What is finally mean? So please prepare this also. And as I told, most important question is OOPS concept. They will ask about the OOPS concept. What is the fourth pillar? Encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, inheritance. So please prepare this also. And one of the question is repeating, that is overloading and overriding. Many students I have met, they told that they are asking frequently about overloading and overriding. So please prepare with example. When you are giving any interview, please give with example. So your impact will be good to the interviewer. And next question is why multiple inheritance is not there in Java. Suppose you are writing mentioning in resume that you know Java, so they will ask question regarding your Java. So this question can become when you are writing in resume Java. Why multiple inheritance is not there in Java? So please prepare according to that. And after that, why pointer is not there in Java? And exceptional handling in Java with example. These are the questions that I have met with students. They told that these questions are coming frequently. So please prepare this question. If you have any doubt, you can write in comment. I will help you. Again, next question is what is static variable and method in Java? Please prepare this also. These are the also questions which are coming mandatory when you are giving Java, writing language as Java. And they are asking question also what kind of errors are there in Java. So please refer this also, for you should know what kind of errors are there in Java. Advantage of Java, you should know what is advantage of Java. Like if you write in Python, then you should know what are advantage of Python over other language like C, C++, Java and C#, like this way. coming to the, after you give your technical interview of the programming language, they will go to a SQL. Most frequent questions asked in SQL or DBMS, like what is acid property. These are the frequently question asked in of DBMS. So please prepare this also, what is acid property. And again, the main question, what is normalization. Very important questions in the interview. Every interview will ask this question when you are in final year and you are giving interview. So you should know what is 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, BCNF. You should know this, which one is better, which one is not better. They will ask about this. So prepare what is normalization. Next question is difference between having and where clause. So guys, you should know what is having clause, like having and where do. Difference between having and where. So please prepare this also. And one of the most frequent question in any interviewer, I will give 5-star mark question, is join in SQL. These are the most frequent question asked in every interview you will go through. Join is the most favorite question, like inner join, outer join, left join, right join. They will ask question, and please prepare with the example of it so you can explain it properly. So my suggestion is, please do join. You should never skip join. And again, for SQL point of purpose, prepare difference between drop, truncate, and delete. Which see the difference between what is drop, what is truncate, what is delete, and give them example also. And if you sometimes they ask query also, like write a query to get 3 largest salary from the table. Like they will give some table, or they will they will say that please write a query. You can give own word also, like you can make own word of table and you can write the query. And if you write in data structure in resume, so they will ask about question, what is linked list and circular list, what is push and pop, and with example they will ask, what is stack and queue, with example they will ask. This is the most favorite question asked from data structure, so please prepare that also. In a programming point of view, in some student they were asking like swap a two variable without using third variable. This is a programming question was asked in DCA interview, and some of the student was getting a zero code, like the programming will be already there will be 4 options, you have to select one option, so be ready for that also. And next program is program on palindrome and Fibonacci. When you are clearing digital interview, you should know this, some basic like even and odd, program on palindrome, Fibonacci. These are basic questions that every interviewer asks. Okay, and according to me, resume is a game changer. Don't write that thing which you don't know. Okay, so whatever you write in resume, they will catch that word and they will ask about that thing only. So please don't write such word. That's why I am written resume is a game changer. My tips to clear TCS digital interview: learn basic of trending technology. If you are giving TCS digital interview, you should expect a question from like trending technology. They can ask, as I mentioned in question also, like what is AI, cloud computing. So whenever they ask what is trending technology, you should say only that technology that you know. Okay, and according to me, resume should be simple and which you know perfectly, that only mention. I have written this because, as I told, that resume is game changer for me. Whatever you will write in resume, they will ask question about them only. Okay, third question, be confident. Whatever you say, be a confident. If you don't know, and the interviewer is going on depth of that programming or SQL, then please tell them that, sir, I don't know much about it, I know the basic of the thing, so they can understand. So don't be nervous. Sometime in the interviewer asks to many of the candidates that, are you nervous? This is the first question they ask. If you're happy and they will see like you are happy and you're confident, then they will definitely select you. And fifth, I have written basic concept of programming. You have cleared the TCS digital coding question, so you should know basic concept of programming. Like I told that they can ask palindrome, Fibonacci, even and odd, like zero code, compilation, like this type of question they will be asking. So please prepare this also. And one thing they always test in digital interview, that whether the candidate are having ability to learn technology like cloud computing, AI, machine learning. They see whether you are capable enough to learn this. They only see, they are not expecting that you should know this. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, if you get any help from this video, then please subscribe our channel and like our channel, share the channel. Thank you for watching video.